Today, we're gonna pour some concrete. So it's this sidewalk and this chunk of driveway that the concrete guys are coming today to pour some concrete. So I figured I'd show you what they do. I don't know what they do. Let's learn together. I know these guys don't like me being in their face, but how often do you have your driveway worked on? Never. See, it's not often that you have a bobcat coming up your driveway either. I gotta get the camera in, see if I can go behind the bush and not get in his way. Here we go.
Alive.
They gotta get the mouse out of there.
Yeah. Can you scoop the whole nest, maybe?
Well, at least we know we didn't kill them.
Yeah.
They left. You see, in this hole there was some sinkage. You know, so pretty much from this side in is loose dirt, and they can't compact it enough. And that's why I think that a driveway, if it's asphalt, sinks down, below the garage floor a lot of times. So that's why we're doing a concrete apron, and then the rest of it I'm going to do an asphalt. So now they've brought it down about 4 inches, spread the class 5 out, and made it a deeper trench for the concrete. Looks like on this end there's going to be 2x4. They've put up these plastic things to hold the concrete back. Here's expansion joint stuff, and they're going to put that between the existing concrete here and then the new stuff that they pour, so they'll lay those up there. Drilling into the foundation to put rebar in. You see, here's something you don't see every day. How much does this take?
I think you ordered 3 yards.
3 yards? How much does that thing hold?
11.
11 yards? What is it, 4,000 pound or 400? What's the term of the concrete? Something pounds?
Oh, pounds per square inch.
4,500? And then do they put like fiberglass mesh?
Yeah, this one had fibers in it.
It's overkill.
For a skirt? Yeah, with the rebar and the mesh.
So that's good. I'm glad. He's putting those expansion joints in. So you're adding water? So now they've loosened it up with more water in the concrete. So at the beginning there, he kind of tested out the concrete, told the guys to add more water.
See how it's standing up in ridges?
Yeah.
Like where she's walking? So it's probably like a 4-ish. A 4-ish will kind of stand like that, where a 7 will just be really kind of just flatten right out.
Well, doesn't that look nice? Look at that. There's the caution tape so you don't step on it like an idiot, like I would probably do. So there's the forms. They're going to take those off soon and then spray a water-based sealant onto the concrete. And it'll be good for 100 years, but I can't drive on it for a week. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.